Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Garvik and guess we're going to be making today a paper iPhone. These are the two samples I made before, as you can see. So let's get started. The materials you need is 2 sheets of paper, scissors, markers, and a ruler. What's so special about this project is you don't need tape or glue. So let's get started. Take 1 sheet, fold it in half. Okay, then you're gonna open it up. Then take this, fold it here. Do the same thing on both sides. Then what you're gonna do is take this and fold it to the middle. And also do the same thing on both sides. And take this corner and fold it. And then what you're gonna do is flip it over. And then take this and fold it. And then you're gonna unfold it and then fold this to the line we just made. And then take this and fold it right next to it. And then take these corners and tuck it into these pockets. If it doesn't work, you can just unfold it and do it again. Just flatten it. And then it should look like this on the back, like a diamond shape, and on the front there should be a line. And then take your next sheet of paper, fold it in half, and then open up and take your scissors and cut it through the middle. Okay, now take 1/2, take your phone, and I'm gonna fold it in half. Now take your phone, and then you're gonna see this pocket up. And you can also, if it doesn't work to tuck it in that pocket, you can just fold it more or cut it. And if it doesn't go out, it's also fine. All you have to do is just fold it up here so that it'll cover up this line we made. And then tuck it in the pocket right here. And then it should look something like this. And then take your other half, it'll cover up this side. Fold it in half. And then you're gonna take your phone and take this, put it in here. Do the exact same thing, but we're gonna cover up the back side. Now once you got that done, you're going to decorate it. You need your ruler and a marker for it. So first, you're going to open up your marker and draw a line. And then you draw the button. And then you're going to draw the screen. So take the ruler. And then you're going to draw the camera. So draw a line and a dot. And then you're going to take your fat marker and color in this screen. And then once you've colored in the screen, you're going to take your thin marker again and you're going to draw the camera. And then you're going to draw the Apple logo. I'll show you how to draw. So draw a little M like this. Draw a curve, upside down M, or you could say W. And then draw and color it in. And then once you've done that, you could write iPhone. And then what you can do to decorate it more is add the power button, the volume buttons, the charging plug, and the speakers. And look, I have a collection of iPhones. 3 iPhones. This is 1, 2, and 3. Bye guys, hope you like my video.